Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you where can you find toolset location. To find toolset location in your car, take a look at the trunk. Lift up the trunk floor, and right here you can find sealant and compressor, emergency triangle, battery, and on the left side we can find fire extinguisher and lift if available. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.